Alrighty. Onward we go. Wow. This is made for people with longer legs. Oh man. Careful. Okay, this is a little scary. Just a little scary. A teeny bit. Yellow.
I hope coming down is...
Do we come down the same way?
Oh man, I'm shaky.
You got it. Alright. Let's go. Oh.
Oh, you look like you're rock climbing.
This is rock climbing. I'll slip and get like the real falling picture, not the fake one. Hey. It's so nice though. Whew. Whew. Look at that. Probably just hear me breathing heavy in this video.
My hands are gonna get rough.
Girl.
Good, good. Good action, good action.
Ah. My legs are starting to get jelly.
Yeah, me too.
Ah.
I need to touch something.
Up we go. I think we should have done a warm up first. Oh, this was our warm up.
Very good, good.
Hey. Dying shots. Oh gosh. Whew. There's the air. Ah. Ah.
That looks so deep. Steep.
Just a little steep, you see that? Ah. Alright, up we go. How many miles in are we, Jean?
0.3.
Oh gosh.
Yo, this is like everybody grab up and you go slow.
Other people ahead of us.
Oh, good rest time. Sit. I'm sitting. Ah, this is very nice. Whew. Water break.
Okay. Wait, look at me. Nice. Oh yeah, this feels like a furniture.
A little nubbin. Here we go.
Very.
Ooh, that's very
It's a good
smooth.
shot for you guys.
So many germs on this thing.
I mean, pictures take a look worse than
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna look as scary in the video. Oh dear. Here we go. Tight space. Tight space. Ah! I'm crawling.
Amber asked us what we're up to.
We're
dying.
up to the beehive. That's what we're up to. We're standing on the edge. Oh, that's a good shot of Jean. The air. It's just air and mountain. Whew.
We are just
We are farmers. Da 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 da. Reina. Ah. Oof, I think a bug went to my mouth. Dun 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 dun.
Oh no, we're at the worst part yet.
Hi. Oh, this is the cliff area. Ooh. Oh, this isn't that bad. Am I still recording? Ooh. I'll take a picture of you guys.
Oh, you cannot see the edge.
Here, I got you. Jean, look here. When you're done. Hold on, one more. Could you imagine if I dropped my phone?
Oh. Oh.
Is that the bridge?
Yeah.
Does it not feel safe?
No, it's still safe. There's not even anything
It
down
looks fine.
below it. Let me take a picture of you at the bridge or something.
Get down on your floors.
Is that blueberry?
You want to pick it?
Oh yeah, berries. This is the bridge.
The bridge. Yikes. Is this really the bridge? It's alright.
This is
The infamous bridge. Are you here?
infamous.
You see this bridge? Not bad. Alright, we go. Okay, right here is kind of gnarly. Don't fall. Let's go up there.
Shortcut.
Yeah, that would be nicer actually.
This is a good shot. Someone will stand there.
Oh yeah. You go first. And we take turns.
You test it out for me. With your slippery shoes.
Oh.
Oh, is it a sharp turn right there?
Go down, bend down. Yeah. Nice.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it.
Hurry up.
Yeah, I'll take a picture of you guys.
Oh, Karina.
No, you guys go first.
Alright, it's okay.
Give me your camera. Take a picture.
It's kind of fun.
Oh my god. Just go down, yeah.
Hey. Alright.
Thank you. Thank you. You want one?
Yeah, I'll
I guess
go
you
back.
first. I'll go out there.
Sorry. Oh, you want? Let him go.
You go. Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Pardon me?
Yeah, nice.
The worst part is if like someone tumbles on you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to hold.
I know. Find
Okay.
some.
Yeah, where?
Your left.
You good?
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty scary looking down.
Yeah, I took a video of both of you.
I'm crawling.
It's alright, be safe.
Yeah, yeah. Just saying.
Oh, there's some berries here.
Which is blueberry picking.
On this rocky mountain. Okay, Raina?
I'm shaking. These bars are scary.
Really? Oh yeah, you have to have a good grip. Ah.
He's literally showing us stuff.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, I need longer legs.
Thank you.
This is not moderate. Who said it was moderate?
No, this wasn't moderate. The other one was moderate, no?
This is extremely hot.
I thought Cadillac was moderate. This one was difficult.
Oh, this is a good shot. You just stay right there.
Oh
The
gosh.
Trail of people. Maybe. Okay.
Ooh, this is a nice shot. Ah, okay. How do I live? How do I hike this mountain? How do I climb this mountain? I want to know. How do I? Oh, how do I? Oh, how do I climb? Do, 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 do. I don't know why this scares me right here. Oh, I see. I didn't see that. Oh, like, this actually scares me.
I know why.
Right there.
Ooh. Straight up climb right. We're not at the top yet. Oh, alright. Oh gosh, this is for tall people. Ow. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to do this. Oh, there's a bar up here, Rena. Can't see it, but it's there.
Go ahead. Sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Nice. Oh,
Going down.
yeah, going down sounds. Maybe that's why someone took the longer route.
I think it's going this way. That's where the
Oh
mountains
yeah.
are.
Probably just climb there. Whew.
You guys good? You want to take a break?
Actually okay. Rena? Good. I feel like I need knee pads.
Yeah.
Longer arms, longer legs would be ideal. Whew. We're almost there? Why is this called the Beehive?
There's a beehive.
No, maybe there's a beehive waiting.
There's a golden beehive up top. Are shaped like a beehive? Probably. Talking to myself.
I have no energy to talk.
Ah. Whew. Goodness.
I'm gonna save it to say help. Because I need
Help!
I don't know how to climb this now.
Jump. Leap like a frog. Man, if you can't climb it. Oh, this way. That might be more dangerous. Hey. Yikes. Yikes. Oh, losing my balance. Not good. Oh, rest a little? Okay. Rest a little. Whew.
My people are up there.
Think that's it? I need to take a nap.
In the mountains.
A rock nap.
At least this is not cold.
Oh, that feels so good. This is it. The ocean. Oh, oh gosh. There's is that a lighthouse? No.
Is that an island? That's not for me.
Huh? Oh no, I think it's bigger. Maybe down that way, I think. Whew. Take a 360 up here. Ah. This is definitely the top, right? Ah.
360.
360. All right.